YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I am getting ready to go see my neurologist, go get my noggin, like Bailey Sarian says, get my noggin checked. Not really. I just need to get a med refill because when you work with a neurologist, they're trying to deal with your neuro pathways, and in my particular case, why my neuro pathways insist on signaling that pain be released throughout my body. So therefore, I need to see a neurologist. I have a rheumatologist, a neurologist, a primary care physician, and now I have an orthopedic surgeon. I just have a whole roll of doctors, and that is not ideal, obviously, but I'm thankful for people who are trying to help me with my condition, so therefore I continue to go see them and pay them lots of money. So that being said, I need to get out the door today because I have been cleaning out cabinets in my kitchen and kind of lollygagging around through my morning, and now I'm in a bit of a rush. So it is a perfect time for me to do a quick get out the door look, but still look pretty glam and still look pretty and put together, but do it in a quick way and in a way that the summer humidity is not gonna melt off my face. So prior to being here, I wash my face, put on all my skincare. I have my professional and my primer water on my face. And so I'm gonna try a new product that was recommended by, you know who I'm gonna say, Emily Noel. I'm gonna try this Sugar Rush by Tarte Skin Treat, which is supposed to be a tinted moisturizer. Has the SPF in it already, 20 SPF sunscreen. And so I'm gonna give this a shot, and then I will come back with you after I have my complexion and my eyebrows done, and we'll talk about how to get a really pretty quick eye look that still looks super glam. So if you would like to see all of that, then please keep watching. Okay, I am going to show you the application of this skin treat. I have it in the shade light medium because I just want to show you how it goes on. She recommends putting it on with the kind of dense brush. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Love is the foundation brush. Put it on with that, and if I feel like I need to smooth it out further, I'll do that with the Beauty Blender, but I think I'm just going to try to put it on with the brush. It is supposed to be pore smoothing. It's supposed to even out your skin tone, and so let's see what it can do.
Sometimes I should can't sleep now, and you're starting to drown. Getting just skin down, won't you come? Trying to ask, I don't wanna deal with this. Whoa, used to think I ain't so trying to listen to you. I'm calling too long, 'cause babe, I know she tries. I know things is true. I just can't believe this is time I got. Oh no, 'cause I'm afraid. So sometimes I should go to sleep now. I'm starting to drown. Getting just skin down. Won't you come try this? I don't wanna deal with this. Whoa, used to think I was so driving around till I lost me. Do you think about what you're running from? Not about me anymore. Oh, what you're running from? Not about me anymore.
Alright guys, so obviously I decided to show you the face. I feel like it did even out my skin tone. I do feel like it kind of smoothed out the pore area. I think after I get my eyebrows and eyes done, I think I'll know better how I feel about it, but I'm put together. I think this is something I wouldn't mind wearing to the gym. But I think once I get my eyebrows and everything else on, I think it will be better. I will be back after my eyebrows are done, so you don't have to observe that arduous process of constant back and forth. It takes a long time, in other words. So I will be back with my eyebrows on and we'll do a quick, pretty eye look and lip look together. Okay, folks, I'm back and the brows are filled. I had a conversation with my friend Marlo this morning. She has a channel, Marlo Keenan. I'll link her up there for you, about how we love this Tati palette and we never use it. And I was thinking, is she ever coming back? I kept thinking she's eventually gonna come back. But anyways, I love this palette, we love this palette, and we never use it. So we both decided to get it out. This is what it looks like, and since I am doing a quick eye look, I'm just gonna kind of go into these, put a transition down, put a little bit of pretty glitter across my lid, and I'm gonna be done with the eyeshadow. So I'll show you what I'm using when I'm using it, but I'm gonna zip through it. So I'm gonna start off right here with this color underneath my brow bone.
At 17, we're growing up, sneaking red wine in a paper cup. We saw the world so differently, talk about things we'd never be. 17, we're still so young, waiting outside for you to pick me up. Driving so fast we couldn't see, everything changed so suddenly. I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay. I never called cause you thought that I'd change. We both went back on the pact that we made, but you're all I know. You came to visit, but I found someone. Drove to the lake house where we fell in love. I couldn't wait cause I thought you moved on, but you're all I know. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. I'm tired of running, no, 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 I'm tired of running. Tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. 23 and I'm waking up, got your old picture that's collecting dust. Even when she's lying in my bed, I think about what we could have been. 23 and I've had enough, met a couple girls but it wasn't love. Miss being the only one you need. Tell me, are you where you thought you'd be? I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay. I never called cause you thought that I'd change. We both went back on the pact that we made, but you're all I know. You came to visit, but I found someone. Drove to the lake house where we fell in love. I couldn't wait cause I thought you moved on, but you're all I know. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. I'm tired of running, no, no, no. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you.
I am going to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist because I want a little bit of glow. My face looks a little flat, which that's fine, but I love the way the eye looks. I look classy and put together. I used my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk on my lips, so let's get this done. That gave my face a beautiful glow. So this is it, you guys. Quick, getting out the door. But I think the skin looks great. I feel like I don't even have any makeup on, so I'm loving that skin treat. And I have my SPF covered. I've got a pretty eye, some glammy lashes, a really pretty neutral lip. I could even put on a bright lip and zhuzh it up even more. Let's say I needed to go out later tonight. I could just add a little dark shadow to the outer corners of my eye, put on a bright lippy, and I'm ready to roll there too. So I'll let you know how this wears. We'll see how long it lasts through the day. I'm getting ready to go outside and it's hot and humid, so we'll see how this holds up. But I hope you enjoyed this quick get out the door but still look glam look. I love it. I think it's really pretty and I feel all put together and ready to go see my neurologist. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. Okay, until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.